gonna drop into the green line first, just to see what this place is all about. Actually, it's kind of dirty. All right, here we go. The Riveter's Blue Line, sponsored by SRAM. This will be pretty sweet. Ah, cool. Starting off with this little camel's back. Huge roller coaster burn. Into a little drop. All right, here we go, dropping into the black line again. After you checked out the outside area, there is this area at the Riveter under a canopy. It is roughly 5,000 square feet under the canopy of riding space. So if it's rain or shine, you're gonna ride.
junk and empty bottles scattered it on my dirty floor. Curtains are closed, looking at daylight, and police are knocking on my door. One by one, I hold your hand. They drop, then they get in. Burn that bridge and burn this land with bullets and gin. Anyway, we're gonna die. One moment, forever. Until then, I never stop. I can't get enough. Anyway, we're gonna die. Right now.
Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video. And since you made it this far, might as well like, subscribe, possibly even leave a comment. And if you're planning on going to the Riveter for a weekend or maybe even a couple hours, I would definitely recommend it. It's such a fun place. Since spring is sprung and your bike may need a little work, Take a Hike Shop has your back. Or takeahikeshop.com. Also, if you need some new gloves, Grip It Sports is here for you. Use Kavanaugh 15 for 15% off.